Hi class, in these examples we're going to be writing a mixed number as an improper fraction. So here's the basic idea. You're going to multiply, so let me rewrite it as an equation. So in this case, this is equal to, and you're going to multiply these two. So this is going to be 4 times 2 plus the numerator. That's what it's referring to at the sum of the multiplication of those two over the values of 4. So in this case, you're going to get 8 plus 1 over 4, or the values of 9/4. And that's actually it. So we're doing the division. Once again, you're just multiplying those two values and then adding the numerator all over the values of 4. Let's take a look at another problem. And then on this one, well, this is going to be equal to, and we're going to multiply these two numbers. So in this case, this is equivalent to 3 times 12 plus the values of 1 and then over 3, or well, 36 plus 1 over 3, or the values of 37 over 3, which would be our final answer. That's actually it. It's just a couple of examples where we're expressing a mixed number as a fraction. In this case, all of these results will end up in an improper fraction.